What's going on, guys? It's Alex here coming at you with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing, first look, and review of a shoe. Now, I haven't gotten to wear this shoe that much just because of what's going on right now, but I have been able to wear it around the house and a little bit outside, so I can provide some insights into what it feels like to wear them and what they look like. So the shoe we're going to be taking a look at today is my first pair of Pumas. Never owned a pair of Pumas before, and they are called the RS-X Cubed Move, and the colors are Puma Black and Ethereal Blue. Here is the shoe right here. It kind of reminds me of, and I'm not a sneakerhead by any means, so forgive me if I get this wrong, but it kind of reminds me of the Yeezy Wave Runners. I think that's the one that they are. If that's not it, it reminds me of a pair of Yeezys. I really love the color. Blue is my favorite color. So as you can see, just looking at it, it starts blue in the front, and eventually the blue kind of fades. It's a very slight fade. It almost immediately cuts off. I wish it was a little bit more of a fade, but it goes from blue and black to gray, black, and tan. We have a very thick midsole here. As you can see, the blue and the tan portion. It is very cushiony, feels very supportive, and it takes up a lot of the shoe as well. On the front area, we have mesh material here, and we actually have mesh on the side as well and in different areas of the shoe. So hopefully that will provide a lot of breathability as I wear the shoe more and more during the summer, because I did get this kind of with the summer months in mind. And we have multiple materials. We have suede, we have the jersey material here. We also have another material that doesn't make up a lot of the shoe, but I don't really know what it is. It's just a very flat, smooth material. On the back, you just have your Puma logo, and it is gray and tan back there as well. And if you can look at the makeup of the shoe, there's just a lot going on. There's a lot of different cut and sew areas, a lot of different materials, and I think it looks really cool. I think it adds a lot of character without kind of making too much go on, because I know I saw some of Puma's other shoes, and with all the colors, it just looked like there was a bit too much going on. There is still a lot going on here, but I don't think that it kind of looks like they were just throwing things together. On the tongue, we have RS-X with the Puma logo, and we also have a cool little pull tab, so if you want to grab that when you're putting on the shoe, you can. And this is what the sole looks like here. I will provide some video in here just kind of giving you guys a close-up. I will say these are, I guess, geared as a running shoe. I don't really know much about these. They seem to be geared as a running shoe just because they say running system on the bottom, and in the insole it also says running. I will say I'm not very impressed by the sole. I don't run that often, I don't have that many running shoes, but from some other running shoes I've seen, these just don't seem to have that much grip. Like, it looks really, really flat, and it just doesn't seem like if you were running on any type of terrain that it would be able to get much grip. So these might just be like if they are a running shoe, which, I mean, I don't really see myself ever running in these, it looks like you'd want to run on flat ground. Here is the insole of the shoe. It seems very well made. You know, some companies with different shoes, it just seems like they kind of just throw a generic insole in there. This one seems very supportive and padded. It even has a rectangle right here that's raised further, which gives you some extra heel support, and it also gives you some extra raised area here for the arch of your foot as well, which for me will be really helpful because I do have flat feet. As I mentioned, I have got to wear these a little bit, and I will say so far they're very comfortable. They creased very easily. Just in the first couple hours of wearing them, I got a crease on the front, which is a little bit noticeable, not crazy. And I know that's bound to happen with a shoe. I think it's just a little bit disappointing when it happens so quickly. Overall, I'm really loving the look of them. It is a new shoe for me. Like I said, I've never had Pumas before, and I don't think I've ever owned a shoe that looks like this before either. These retail for $110. I was able to pick them up for $66 with shipping included on sale. And so what I would say is I don't think these are really worth $110, especially because there's other brands out there like Nike that have really, really great shoes for $110. But it's really cool for me to have a new brand. I don't like to wear shoes that everyone else is wearing, so I wanted to try the Pumas, and I would say if you could pick them up for somewhere around $70, $80 or so, that they would definitely be worth it. So for these shoes, I'm going to rate them a thumbs up, as long as you can pick them up for a little less than $110. Anyway guys, that's my review of the shoes. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know how I can improve. Please like this video if you actually liked it, and go ahead and subscribe if you like this video or any of my other videos. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Once again, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.